How to start dropshipping on Big Cartel. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you what steps do we need to perform to stop our first dropshipping store on a Big Cartel. As you can see, they provide us the opportunity to start it for free if you have under 5 products, and we have like 2 more plans, $10 per month and $20 per month, depends on your product number and also some other features you'd like to use. But it's enough to use a free plan to start our first Big Cartel online store. They provide us the opportunity to create a website and also to add our product pages and so on. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to click on sign up or log in the right top corner if you already have an account. And after small registration, we'll come to this page where we have a couple of options. Basically, this is our workspace. So in the top of the screen, we have a dashboard, orders page, products, discounts, and also our account page. From this page here, we can easily manage location, currency, design our store, manage our payment methods, taxes information, billings, like shopping profiles, beta, and so on. So we have a small checklist on our dashboard. What steps do we need to perform to get started? And as you can see, we only need to perform 6 steps, like verify location and currency, add a product, explore shipping profiles, connect the payment processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. If we'll scroll down, we'll find some analytics, some statistics, find our products, categories, and so on. So let's get started. And firstly, we need to open our account, our profile. So hit the last icon on our menu, and here scroll down to the very end, and you need to set up our country. So click on edit location and currency, and then just simply choose the most suitable country as for you. It's better to choose country you are right up now in. So it's for me, it's Belarus, and currency is US dollars. Then just simply click on save. I'm going to click on cancel. And now we need to add products to our shop. So click on products in the central part right up here. And in order to add a new product, we just simply need to click on plus. So click on add a new product. And here we need to fill all the fields we have. I'm going to show you an example. I already have a full product created by me a little bit like earlier. And here basically we need to add our image. You can create it by yourself or find it somewhere on maybe some other platforms or marketplaces. Then just simply add a product name, add a description. It's better to add a name, add possible sizes, maybe colors, or some additional information you'd like to add about your product. After that, manage categories. We can easily click on plus and add a new one if it's necessary. So let's click on plus, and here we can add a new name, for example, like shirts, jeans, or something like this. In my case, if I'm going to set up a clothes store, in my case, I need to use t-shirt only. Then we need to add a price. And after that, if you have a couple of variations, you can deliver your products in, for example, sizes, colors, maybe, I don't know, maybe something like this. We can add them in variant area. So in order to add something, we just simply need to click on plus and input the necessary name, for example, extra large size, and then you simply manage price, and then everything is ready. So as for us, it will be pretty useful. Then scroll down, here we can manage our shipping. I suggest you to manage it by yourself because, you know, all of us has our differences in shipping stuff and so on. So here we have our product URL. Now we can click on save, and our product will be automatically added to our shop. In order to find our shop, to find its link, we need to click on account. But firstly, we need to set up our payment method. So we need to click on set up your payment options. And as you can see, we have 2 options of how can we withdraw money from a Big Cartel. We can do it through Stripe or through PayPal. As for me, Stripe is not available in my country, so I can only withdraw through PayPal, but I think that Stripe is more suitable in our case. So let's go back to our account. So you need to set up payments, as for you. So here on our shop area, we have the option to manage design and to edit your shop info. If you'll click on it, we can add the shop URL and add a custom domain if it's necessary. If you already have a domain maybe from Google or some other platform, we can do it right up here. In order to change design, we need to click on design and then just simply go to themes. So here we can find a lot of options right up here. As you can see, they're totally free. We can swipe it to the necessary theme. I'm going to use this one, for example, just to show you an example. There are a lot of variants, and I suggest you to use the most suitable as for you. As for me, it's definitely this one, like sidecar shop. And as you can see, interface is quite good. We can switch between different devices, like from desktop to tablet to phone, and all of them are totally responsive, and it will be pretty easy as for us to interact with our website. And on the settings page, we can customize a little bit more. We can add our own logo, we can add background image, and we can add colors. So let's try to add some names of our products. For example, let's try to customize color of these buttons. So I'm going to change button background and let it be like green. And then it will be hovered. We need to change it to yellow, for example, to this color. So now it looks like this. As you can see, pretty cool. As for me, all the animations were created. We can also manage fonts, for example, for header font or just for simply font, and add some additional stuff. In my case, I don't think that is useful. I think that we can only add our URLs, for example, Instagram URL, Twitter, Facebook, for our social medias. On the pages area, we can add some additional pages, for example, about our company or some other stuff. I don't think that it's really useful. And on the code area, if you want to add some CSS or HTML code, you can do it right up here. So let's click on publish, and in a few seconds, our store will be published to the internet. So now we can click on exit, and if you click on this link right up here, we'll be able to find how does it look like as for us. And as you can see, everything is working. We can manage all the variants. For example, order it in extra large size. We can add it to cart. And if we'll go to cart, we can find all the products we successfully added, like in extra small, in a large size, and in extra large size. So now if we'll click on checkout, we'll be able to pay. But as for my shop, all the payments methods are not set up. So I need to set up it on my settings page. And if we'll try to discover the paid plans, so we can see that prices are not that high. So basically we can upgrade it to platinum, like $10 per month, and we'll have more additional features and we'll be able to use all of them. And I think if you are starting, it's enough to use gold plan, but to continue working with a big cartel, it's better to buy platinum. So that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.